Well, that was good. Getting this a little straighter and moving this latch was enough to get this to run with better latching on the hit and miss. So it lasted for over an hour on that tank of fuel. And remember that last time I had the latch assembled here, we were getting 20 minutes, 25 minutes out of a tank of fuel. So just that, making sure that this lash and the gap here is gone, and having this be more vertical operating instead of splayed out the way it was in the last setup, without changing the spring, got us back to about an hour of runtime. So I'm happy with that, and then I'm gonna, I don't know, have to keep scavenging for a spring replacement, because I'm not gonna cut the spring in that governor, and I need to get one that fits exactly right underneath this housing here. So